Welcome to 34 Crescent Road in Riverside, Connecticut. Crescent Road is really special because there's no reason to be on this road unless you live on it. It's also walkable to train, to school, and to town. So come on in, this house is really beautiful.
This gorgeous setting feels like an English country home with all new landscaping. A spacious foyer reveals this charming home. So much personality in this living room with a wood-burning fireplace and a really cool archway. Walk through French doors to a sunroom for a scenic dining experience. The exposed brick and opulent windows give a warm feel to this room. Through the second set of French doors, back into this elegant living room with lots of natural light. Such a cool artistic space in this breakfast nook. Built-in banquette provides the perfect spot for your morning coffee. Open to an eat-in kitchen with a classic island, top-end appliances, and a large walk-in pantry. Gorgeous wood floors throughout, countertops, and backsplashes make this a kitchen you will never want to leave. Flow right into a space you can easily use as an office or family room with built-in bookshelves and stunning French door. Before heading upstairs, please note there is a fabulous powder room at the entrance. The view from the top is stellar. The second floor is so inviting with 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. The first bath is simple yet sophisticated with white subway tiles and glass enclosed shower. The bedrooms are gracious in size, all with crown moldings, majestic wood doors, and lots of natural light. Some of the rooms even have access to a deck. The second bathroom has double vanities and beautiful tile work. It's a great space to get ready in the morning for multiple people. There's a large tub and separate shower stall, making this feel luxurious. This home is so well kept, it shines of being loved. The master bedroom is very chic. There are lots of windows behind the wall drapes and more natural light from the many other windows. This large walk-in closet provides ample storage for more than one person. So farmhouse chic.